Hola, buenos días. ¿Cómo estás hoy? ¿Ya? ¿Toman una foto? ¿Cómo te llamas? Mario. Mario, mucho gusto, Mario. A ver, una más. ¿Verdad? ¿Qué estamos más? Vale, Mario, ten buen día, ¿ok? Sí. I appreciate it, man. What was your name? Antonio.
That's my real name.
I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you.
Antonio. Nothing else.
Nothing else, brother.
I'm gonna go to the video.
All right, bet. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, fucked up, my bad. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Antonio, man. You don't know how much that means to me. Oh, see? Oh, see? I don't know. Hey, Mike, ten buen día, ¿ok? Muchas gracias. I'll show you, but we got all right.
Stay positive.
Hey, man, that's all you can do, man. Also, try to work on your mental.
Yep.
That's
all I've been working on.
Try to meditate, man. It's all in the breathing, you feel me? Come here. Come right here, come here. I feel you, brother. But
Right, yo. They can try. What's up with you, okay? Y'all level. Yeah.
all right, man, bro. You said I appreciate the photos, man.
For sure, man.
And stay blessed, man. All right. It's in your blood. I got you, brother. Do you need anything? Some water? I'm gonna go to the store and I'm gonna come back around for you, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Me? Yeah. Can I take a photo of you? That's okay? Please? No, I swear to God I'm not. I'll show you my Instagram in a second. What's your name?
My name.
Beautiful. I appreciate you. You have a blessed day, okay? Be safe, okay? I wish I had a... You want a photo? What's your name, buddy? It's filmed, but... Okay, let me take a photo of both you guys. What's your name, buddy? Sean, nice to meet you, son. Huh? More Sean? Dope. Oh, margarita.
No, I need to switch over here. Let me switch over here because you try to get all her angles.
All right, margarita.
Yeah, I can.
1, 2, 3. like that. Let's see.
I've never had smoked in 50 years of my life.
Thank you.
I got one.
I feel you, bro.
Peer pressure. And peer pressure is not just for young people.
No,
it's
yeah.
for old people too.
It's a mentality I think that sometimes people are susceptible to, and it's not just age.
If somebody peer pressure you on that, you need to be peer pressure.
Peer pressure to you.
When I was young, I did.
What is your peer? That's
My
one
brother.
of your age.
My brother.